Thinking about using a portable roll forming machine in your business? If you're installing roll-formed roof panels or seamless gutters directly at a job site, having a portable roll forming machine might be the best and most cost-effective way to improve your work and business. Here are 5 benefits for using portable roll forming machines in roofing and gutter installation. Number 1. Portability. One of the biggest benefits of having and using a portable roll forming machine is that it can be taken to any job site. Portable roll forming machines can be powered either by gas or electricity depending on the machine, your preferences, and needs. Number 2. Increased productivity. Because you can easily produce the roof panels or seamless gutters at your job site, you're able to increase productivity since you can make the kinds of panels you need, when you need them, and in the exact amount. This prevents installers from having to stop and wait for the next delivery to be made. Number 3. Accessibility and versatility. Because these portable roll formers are smaller than the ones found in a factory, they can be transported easily. Additionally, with the proper lifting mechanism, the machine can be lifted to the height of a structure's roof, allowing panels to be run directly onto the roof structure. Number 4. Shorter lead time. Making and installing your own metal panels on site instead of having them delivered from a factory decreases the time waiting for panels to be shipped. This means no delays that are outside of your control and increases customer satisfaction. You also eliminate shipping costs and the worry of having your panels damaged during delivery. Number 5. Less waste. By having your own machine and not relying on getting panels from a manufacturer, you decrease the risk of possibly getting the wrong size or colored panels, wrong panel profiles, or panels damaged during shipping. With a portable roll forming machine, you can make sure that the panels are made correctly the first time with little to no wasted metal. Portable roll formers can also help manufacturers and fabricators improve productivity and get the most out of their business. Here are the top 5 reasons why any metal manufacturer should consider using a portable roll forming machine. Number 1. Business expansion. When you own a portable roll forming machine as a manufacturer, you have a competitive advantage that allows you to expand your business by producing the panels right at a customer's job site and supply multiple customers daily in addition to your normal business operations. Not only are you able to diversify your business, but you can also make more money at a fraction of the cost of an in-plant machine. Number 2. Profile versatility. Another advantage of using a portable roll forming machine is that there are many quick change profile options or roller sets available for you to use. With so many options at your disposal, you can provide more versatility to your customers and take more bids on jobs knowing that you can easily add more profiles. Number 3. Smaller machine size. Since portable roll forming machines are much smaller than in-plant roll formers, you can essentially fit more of them inside your building. For example, NewTek Machinery's SSQ2 Multi-Pro Roof Panel machine measures only 4.6 meters long and 1.5 meters wide. That's 15 feet 2 inches long and 5 feet wide. With more machines at your disposal, you can produce more panels at a quicker rate and supply more customers with product. Number 4. Quick profile changeovers. Changeovers or tooling changes on portable machines require very little time, only about 45 minutes to an hour. Not only are changeovers fast, but they are also efficient. For example, NTM's SSQ2 Multi-Pro Roof Panel machine requires only one person and a wrench to perform the profile changeover. On the other hand, in-plant roll former changeovers can take hours, with some requiring advanced machinery to complete, thus making contractors wait days or weeks to get finished panels. Number 5. Multiple financing options. If you're unsure about buying a portable roll former, there are options available for you to finance your machine. Some benefits to financing include you're able to manage your cash flow. Equipment finance agreements have fixed interest rates. You may be eligible for a tax write-off. You can develop credit for your business, and no additional collateral is required. Choosing the perfect machinery for your business is no easy decision. There are many factors to consider, including price, how it will improve your business, and how it can make your work easier. If you're considering using a portable roll former in your business, let NewTek Machinery help you explore your options or make your purchase. Feel free to contact us at 303-294-0538 or visit us online at newtekmachinery.com.